Hi friends, this is Gayatri. As today we are going to discuss about double linked list in that insertion and the deletion at the end and the beginning of the double linked list. Let's start discussing the code. Standard input and output header, that is stdio.h, stdlib.h is for malloc memory allocation of our stack node. In double linked list, we have three part previous and next and center for data part. So we declare stacked name of node in that previous and next pointer of stack node type a of int data type, and also head temp and g of stack node type. We declared some functions called create, inserted friend, inserted end, deleted friend, deleted end. Both insert and delete at the front and end of the node. Display for our understanding purpose. Let's enter into the main functions. We declare the choice of int data type. After that, we use while with the condition of choice that is not equal to 7. In that print, we use it to print main menu. After that, one for creating a list, two and three for insert and insertion of the node at the end and the beginning of the double linked list. Four and five for deleting a node from the end and beginning of the double linked list. Six for displaying the element, and seven for exist. After that, I used to ask the user to enter the valid choice. After that, we use switch statement for choice. In case one, creating the double linked list. Case 2 and 3 for inserting the node at the front and end. Case 4 and 5 for delete the node at front and end. 6 for display, 7 for exit. Default, if the user enter any value other than 1 to 7, it shows please enter valid choice. Now, outside the main function, we use a function definition for already declared function. In that creates the function name head that is equal to null. If the condition is true, then it enter into if. In that the temp which store the memory allocation of stack node size. After that, I use printf and scanf function which get the input value from the user and stored it in temp of a. After that, the linked list is created. So first, temp of previous and temp of and next is the first note. So initialize both at null. After that, I changed the temp value to the head, and that the head is not equal to null, then it goes to else spot and print that the linked list is already created. Is insert at the front. Here I am going to add the node at the front of the double linked list. If the head is not equal to null, then it enter into if. I am updating the temp value, that is the memory allocation of the stack node size. After that, I am getting the value from the user and stored it in temp of a, and the value is added. After that, to make connection for previous and present node, we assign the null value to the temp of previous and the head to the temp of next. That is, the memory allocation of the present node is assigned to the head of previous. After that, I am going to change the head value to the temp, and if the head is equal to null, then it enter into else spot, and I use it to print please and create the linked list to add the element, because there is no linked list. Void deleted friend. Now separate the front node and then delete it. So we using the same condition he head that is not equal to null. If the condition is true, then enter into if for separating the front node, head is assigned to temp and the head of next is assigned to head. Null is assigned to head of previous, and then after the separation, free the temp, then print the node is deleted. Then if the condition is false that the head is equal to null, then it print please create the linked list to delete the node, because there is no linked list created. Delete at end. Here I am using the same if condition head that is not equal to null. If the condition is true, then goes inside the if. Here we separate the lost node and delete it. For that purpose, we are assigning the head to the G, and then using the while condition in that while we using the condition G of next is not equal to null. For moving to the last value, until we reaches the last value, the while loop exists, because the last node is null. After that, head of next is assigned to temp, null is assigned to head of next. After the separation, free the temp and then the node is deleted. To print the node is to print that the node is deleted. If the condition is false, then come to else spot and then print please create the linked list to delete your node. For clearly understanding purpose, I use the display function. In that, I am printing the statement called printing the value. After that, the head is assigned to the temp pointer. While with the condition temp that is not equal to null, in that it printing the in printing the data that is stored in temp of A. After the temp of next is assigned to temp, it repeats this process until the condition reaches the last node to stop printing. Program is over. Let's see the output of the double linked list. It asks the user to enter the choice. If I enter 1, then it asks the value to be added, then I am entering 32. The linked list is created. It shows that the linked list is created. After that, I am entering 2. In that, I am entering value 18, that the value is added. I am entering 3 choice. After that, 54. Again, it shows a value is added. After that, to display, I am entering 6. It displays the printing value, that is 18, 32 and 54. After that, deletion, to perform deletion, I am entering 4, and then I am displaying the value, that the value 18 is deleted. After that, I am entering 5, delete from lost, and then I am entering 6, and then the printing value 32 is only remaining. For exist, I am entering 7, and then the program is over.
Thank you for watching this video.